So, Dada,
Tell me, Jamie.
Why does our body change when we
grow up.
Well, Jamie, let me think. Because growing up or growing is a natural part of life.
Okay.
When you are children, your bodies are developing.
That's right.
You becoming taller, stronger, and as you get older, your body gradually goes through changes. And as you move towards adulthood,
That's exactly right, Dada. But here's something important. Everyone doesn't grow at the same speed.
that's right, Drishti. One child might grow taller, another might grow taller. Some changes happens quickly, other take little more time. So, Jamie, what do you think about this?
So, if my friend changes before me, it doesn't mean something is wrong with me.
It's not, Jamie, that your body has its own timetable.
That's right, Dada. So, don't compare your growing up journey with someone else. Did you know that growing up isn't only about getting taller? Our bodies change. Our brains continue developing. Our emotions can sometimes feel stronger. And we slowly become more independent. That's right, Jamie. So, if you sometimes feel happy, then annoyed, then confused, or suddenly want a little more privacy.
That's part of growing, Jamie, and learning about yourself. And if something worries you, you can always talk to a trusted adult around you.
Yes, that's right. Did you know that children around the world don't all grow up exactly the same way? Really? Yes.
Okay.
Jamie, different families and cultures teach children independence in different ways.
Is it? Okay, let's
Yes.
find out then. Tell us more about that.
In some families, children may start taking responsibility for little things early.
That's right.
In others, parents may stay more involved for longer.
That's absolutely right. And that's absolutely okay though. There isn't only one way to be a family.
Different families, different cultures, different traditions. But children everywhere deserve the same basic things.
Exactly.
Yes, Drishti. I like that answer. To feel safe. Yes, Jamie. Respected.
And more importantly, you should be feel supported and loved.
Dada.
Yes,
There's another important thing we should talk about.
Tell me, Jamie.
What's that about, Jamie?
As our children grow, they should learn about body safety and personal boundaries. Jamie?
We sometimes hear words like good touch and bad touch, but we can also think about it as safe touch and unsafe touch.
Let's talk about it then.
A high five, a hug from someone we trust, helping a hand when they're hurt can be safe and comfortable.
Exactly, that's true.
But if someone touches in a way that makes us feel uncomfortable, scared, confused, or unsafe, we should take that feeling seriously. That's right, Drishti, keep it up.
This is important for both kids. Body safety isn't just a conversation for daughters. Every child should know that their body belongs to them.
That's right,
Okay.
go ahead. Yes, Dada. And if something doesn't feel right, we can say, stop. I don't like that.
That's right, that's what you should do.
And move away if we can.
That's true, both of you. And parents, please remind your children. You can always tell me, even if they're scared, embarrassed, or worried that someone might be angry.
That's exactly true. That's what we should do.
Yes.
And if something happens, it's never the child's fault. That's true, Jamie.
And today, body safety isn't only about what happens in person. It matters online too. Someone online asks for private pictures, asks you to keep a secret, makes you uncomfortable, or tries to move the conversation somewhere private. That's a big warning sign.
That's
okay?
exactly true.
And don't respond or send anything to them, okay? And don't try to deal with it alone. Tell a trusted adult. Parents, sometimes children are afraid they'll lose their phones or get into trouble if they tell you the truth. That's why we need to make one thing very clear. If you come to know something made you feel unsafe, my first job is to listen to you and help you. Right, Jamie?
That sounds good, Dada.
Thank you. Parents, please have this conversation with your sons and your daughters.
That's right. We
Because-
should always do that.
Yeah, that's right, Drishti. Because body safety is for every child.
Dada, can we ask you something? Did you also have questions about growing up?
Oh, yes. I had so many questions and feelings when I was growing up. I was too shy to ask those questions.
Really?
Yes, Drishti.
And that's why I think parents need to make it easier for children to ask them questions.
Jamie, that's right. Parents, don't wait for your child to have a big problem before you start talking. Create a small conversation every single day. And when your child asks a difficult question, don't immediately start giving them a lecture. Listen to them first.
That's exactly true. So sometimes kids don't need a big speech.
Sometimes they just need someone who says, I'm listening. Tell me.
That's right. Okay, Dada. That's actually a good advice.
Thank you, Jamie.
And as we grow, we need to take care of ourselves too. That's really true, Jamie. We should get enough sleep, eat healthy food,
That's right.
stay active,
Yes.
practice good hygiene, and give our body time to rest.
And remember, taking care of your body isn't about trying to look like someone else. It's about keeping your body healthy every single day.
That's exactly right, Dada.
And learning to respect yourself too. Sometimes children question about growing up, but they don't know how to start the conversation. So parents, you can start it. You could simply say, if you ever have a question about your body or growing up, you can talk to me.
That's right, Dada. No laughing,
Yeah.
no judging, and no shaming.
Just listening, because one conversation can start today, can help your child feel comfortable coming to you tomorrow.
So, this week, challenge! Parents, ask your child what's one thing about growing up that you're curious about. And kids, ask your parents something you have always wanted to know.
That's really a curious question you want to ask parents. Well, and parents, promise to listen before you're giving them the advice.
That's right.
And no judging, no laughing. Just an honest family conversation. Because one little question can start big conversation.
That's exactly right. Growing up isn't about becoming someone else, about discovering who you are becoming.
And as a parents, our job isn't to control their every single step. It is to guide them, listen to them, and more importantly, protect them and give our children the confidence to grow.
So, don't compare your body, don't be embarrassed by the change.
And don't be afraid to ask questions, because growing up is something we all go through and nobody has to do it alone. Right, Jamie? What do you think?
That's exactly true. Parents, what's one thing you wish someone had explained to you when you were growing up?
Yeah.
That's interesting, Jamie. And kids, what's one thing you're curious about as you grow?
Many things are there for kids, I guess.
Tell us in the comments below.
Please tell us in the comment below, okay? And maybe tonight, don't just watch this episode. Have a conversation with your family and share this with your friends too. Because every little conversation builds a big heart.
That's exactly true, Dada.
Well, Drishti,
Keep talking, Keep asking questions
And more importantly, keep listening to your kids.
and keep growing. This is Lil Talks Big Hearts. Bye everyone.